Yesterday we did the Cartesian plane. What is the Cartesian plane? If we take two perpendicular axes straight, one horizontal line, one vertical, which are perpendicular to each other, that is called the Cartesian plane, where right side positive, left side negative, right? Upward on y-axis, it's positive, and downward negative. What was the x-axis? X-axis was abscissa, right? What was the y-axis? Ordinate. और जो इस पे points plot होते हैं that are called coordinates. I hope you remember all this, right? And how to plot the numbers and these two lines. इस प्लेन को ये दो लाइंस कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रही है? 4 पार्ट्स में, which are called quadrants. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant, right? First quadrant, both positive, ठीक है, both positive, जिसमें x भी पॉजिटिव है, y भी पॉजिटिव. Second quadrant, x negative, y positive. Third quadrant, x negative, y negative. Fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. Right? That we have done yesterday. Now, we did plotting the numbers also. How to plot the numbers on these two axes, coordinate axes. Take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1, -2, -3, -4, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. Right? So how to plot the number? Let's take the number 3, 2. Okay? So x will be 3, y will be 2. This number is 3, 2. Right? So up to this we did yesterday. Now one concept was left, that was the mirror image. Okay, now we are going to do how to represent the mirror image. If the question is, see, this is 3,2 number. If you are to find out the mirror image of this point, where it will be, there are two axes now, x axis, y axis. एक इमेज आपकी x axis के थ्रू आ सकती है और एक इमेज y axis के थ्रू. ठीक है, एक्स एक्सिस के थ्रू अगर आप इमेज लेते हैं, वेयर इट विल बी, व्हाट विल बी द पॉइंट थ्रू द मिरर इमेज? इसकी मिरर इमेज का पॉइंट कौन सा होगा? थ्रू एक्स एक्सिस. कैन एनीवन गिव द आंसर? -3, 2. पूर्ति थ्रू एक्स एक्सिस. Yes, negative, but through x-axis. If we take the mirror image of x-axis, -3, -2. See, this is the x-axis. This is the x-axis, right? ठीक है, x एक्सिस से c -2, -3, 3, -2, right? So this will be the, इसके बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट, x एक्सिस के ऑपोजिट यहाँ आएगी मिरर इमेज. दिस पॉइंट पे x एक्सिस की मिरर इमेज, अगर आपको मिरर इमेज x एक्सिस की लेनी है, सो इट विल बी हियर, इट विल बी 3 पॉजिटिव और y नेगेटिव है -2, 3, -2, right? This will be the mirror image of x-axis. और अगर y-axis की हो, now can you give the answer? For y-axis, 3 minus 2 is right, but for y-axis, minus 3, 2, right? Not 2 minus 3, minus 3, 2. Yash, first number will represent x and second number will represent y. Okay, so see, this, अगर आप y एक्सिस से लोगे तो आप लेफ्ट जाओगे, है ना, y के थ्रू जाओगे, और you will move there here like this number. Okay, this number will be the mirror image. This number will be minus 3, 2. Again, I am repeating, this point is given here, 3, 2. आपको इसकी mirror image बतानी है x के through. इसकी जो mirror image होगी, तो you will go downward. आप x की opposite जाओगे, right? This will be the mirror image. Equal distance पे. So it will be 3 minus 2. Right, 3 downward or 2 horizontally. So it will be 3 minus 2, as here x positive, y negative. Similarly, अगर आपको y की mirror image लेनी है, ठीक है, mirror image through y axis, so you will go like this. अब y के opposite जाओगे, this is 3, so इधर भी 3, this is 2, so here also 2, right? But let's check the points. थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट है ये, तो हमारे पास x यहाँ पर क्या है, नेगेटिव, सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट सॉरी, और y क्या है, पॉजिटिव. ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई द इमेज विल बी, द पॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेट विल बी -3, 2. Any other query here? It will be -3, 2. X will be -3, y will be 2 here. Let's take one more example for it, okay? X, y, it's given here 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4. Let's take the point 4, 1 now. ठीक है, दिस इज 4. किसी भी आप कहीं से भी क्वाड्रेंट में ले सकते हैं 4, 1. आप -4, 1 भी ले सकते हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स टेक द पॉइंट -4, 1. x -4, y 1. दिस पॉइंट विल बी -4, 1. अगर हमें इसकी इमेज x एक्सिस में चाहिए, वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट द इमेज इन x एक्सिस, तो आप ऑपोजिट जाएंगे, राइट, हियर x एक्सिस के ऑपोजिट. इधर 1 है तो इधर भी 1. दिस डिस्टेंस इज 4, like this. If this distance is 4, this distance should also be 4. This will be the point. This point will be x -4, y -1, right? In fourth quadrant. और अगर आप इसकी इमेज y पे लेंगे, so you will go like this. 4, और ये आपके पास distance here 1. This point will be the mirror image in y axis. So this point is x4, y1, right? Yes, 4, 1, -4. Very good. Now is this concept clear? The mirror image, you will go opposite, like second quadrant की y axis में first quadrant में आएगी, और अगर हम x axis में लेंगे तो third quadrant में आएगी, like this. Any query in this mirror image? Is there any query here? Or we can go to the exercise now. Okay, that's great. Let's move to the next. Good. Okay. So the next exercise, it's also based on plotting the number, right? Locating the numbers. The question is, in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the point given lie? आपको बताना है कि जो points given है वो कौन से quadrant में lie करते हैं. Let's write down the points. 2, 4, right? Next point is 3 -1. Next point is -1 0. Next point is 1 2. Next point is -3 -5. Okay. So tell me this point where it lies, in which quadrant? -2 4. Yes, second quadrant. Good. How second quadrant? Because x is negative, y is positive. Let's make a x-axis, y-axis. Right? Here, positive, positive, both positive. Right? Second quadrant, x negative, y positive. Third quadrant, x negative, y negative. Fourth quadrant, x positive and y negative. Right? Fourth, next बता रहे हैं सब fourth, right? Fourth. This will be second quadrant. This will be fourth quadrant. Third, -1 0, -1 0. Yes, second quadrant. -1 0, second quadrant. Great. 1 2, first quadrant. Okay, great. Positive. Once both are positive, so it will be first quadrant. Last one, दोनों negative किस में होंगे? Third में. Very good. Very good. Any confusion here? Yes, third. Bhanu, it's third quadrant. Again, I'm repeating. You listen now. Maybe you are having confusion in the question. -2 4. This will be the first quadrant. -2 4. This will be the second quadrant. Sorry. Because x is negative, y positive. This will be the second quadrant. Next, 3 -1. X positive, y negative. This is the fourth quadrant. Third, x negative, y positive, y 0. Okay, this is wrong. This point, -1 0. You have not seen it's 0. 0 कहाँ पे आएगा? -1 0. This point is -1 0. Yes, Purti, I'm getting your question. This one is -1 0. ये क्या है आपके पास? X axis. This will be x axis. Okay. -1 0. This will be x axis. X -1, y 0. Y 0 किस पे होता है? X axis पे. So that means this will be on x axis. Yes, on x axis. Very good. Next, 1 2, first quadrant, both positive, right? And next, both negative, third quadrant. Okay. Now if you have any query, you can ask. Yes, 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 right now. Great. So can you plot? You are to plot these points on the number line, or sorry, on the Cartesian plane also. Can you do that? On graph paper, can you do? Okay. It's verify your answer by locating them on Cartesian plane. आपको ये सब जो आंसर्स आपने दिए हैं आपको वेरीफाई करना है by locating on Cartesian plane. तो आपको इसको Cartesian plane पे लोकेट करना है. ठीक है? Okay, that's good. चलिए. Next question is also same here. 0 1. Okay, yes, Neha. There is 0 1. See, it's 1 2 3. 1 2 3. -1 -2 -3. And you are asking for 0 1, right? Yes, 0 1. So x0 y1, right? This is x0 and this is y1. ये x0 हुआ और ये y1 हो गया. This point 0 1 and it will be lie on y axis. जहाँ पे x 0 है वो y axis पे लाई करेंगे और जहाँ पे y 0 है वो x axis पे लाई करेंगे. Right? Yes, right on y axis. Quadrant plane, as you all know, right? This is called the plane. Let's take, you can take this, the board is the whiteboard as a plane. आप उस whiteboard को plane ले सकते हैं, right? And quadrants, as we are taking two perpendicular lines, we are taking Cartesian plane, coordinate geometry, coordinate axis. ठीक है, perpendicular axis ले रहे हैं हम. तो ये जो axis है plane को 4 parts में divide कर रहे हैं. इस plane को 4 parts में divide कर रहे हैं. 1 2 3 4, right? And these are called quadrants, right? Okay, great. So in next question second, it's also same. Plot the points xy given in the flowing table on the plane, choosing suitable units of distance on axis. I hope you can do it, right? Okay, so you can complete it. You can complete this exercise. Here also you are to plot the numbers. Like the first is minus 2 8.